Chirag, it's live.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Checking. Hello. Hello students, am I audible? If it is yes, then please post your comment on the chat box. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Is there any kind of noise? Then please let me know. Huh? Hello guys. Yes. Am I audible? Right? Yeah. Perfect. So we will begin with our TCS NQT coding practice and how to solve coding logics, etc. Those things we are going to cover in today's sessions. Mainly, you all know which programming languages we have in options. Okay, it means if you are compatible with C, you can you have choice over there. You have choice over there. You can go with the C language. You can go with the CPP, Java, Python, Perl, okay, etc. things. Okay, so whichever you feel comfortable, you can go with it. Okay, no issues for the same. In first session, we are going with the mainly focusing on Python, because generally we are finding, okay, Python is, in students perspectives, is it is more comfortable for IT as well as electronics. That means IT as well as non-IT students. Okay, so main our focus is on Python. If you wanted me to do the same thing with the Perl, you can post comments also. Yes, you want the same code in the Perl as well, because as you will move towards the advanced programming language, the writing code complexity will be little less also. Okay, so then afterwards, if you are comfortable with Java, we can go with Java. If you are comfortable with CPP or C, you can post out of these five languages. You can post your choice. Okay, no issues for the same. Chalo. So today how we are going to start with, okay, today first question is, today how we are going to start with, guys. Here I'm going to write some sort of code, and we will predict the output, the same thing which we want to do in the same thing in the examinations as well. Okay, there also you will get some sort of code over there. Okay, you need to understand its output. Okay, you need to understand its output: 1 A, B, C, and D. Okay, this kind of outputs, uh, code will be here. Okay, whatever code it may be, and you will get four options. Out of these four options, you need to select one right options. Okay, that is only particular concept. Okay, and through this we have to move forward. So what we will do in today's sessions, I'll write some sort of code over here. Okay, and we will predict the output for the same as well. Okay, yeah, code will be not that much what we call it, yes, it will be some sort of tricky one. Okay, but not that much difficult. Okay, difficulty level if you are asking, then yes, quite tricky, because see, in 1 minute time you want to solve those questions. So according to that, the trickiness of questions will be matter. Okay, or question may be definitely tricky. Okay, but not that much difficult. Okay, because whenever we are finding it's more tricky, that time simply we are putting a tag that the question was too difficult. Okay, so it is not. Okay, wait. Okay, chalo. So just me check with the YouTube also. Yeah, it is perfect. Perfect, fine. Chalo. So guys, chalo. We will start with our first code. Mm, Suppose I have eggs. Okay, and I have AB over here. Okay. Now here CA is there. Okay. Yeah. So now if I move with the for loop, okay, if I move with the for loop, in for loop I'm accessing I in X. Okay, if I write I in upper, okay, I in uppercase, then afterwards what I need to do, simply print X. Okay, sure. This is a simple question. Okay, if I try to find out its output, then what will be the output? Can you post in a chat box or comment room? What can be output? A, B, and C. Perfect, perfect. Chalo, we will run this particular code and we will check it out whether it is perfect or not. output is what? A only. What is the reason? Yeah, you gave answer that is Shivam gave answer that A comma capital A comma CA. Okay, then Shivam Bhavsar give answer that is A capital A comma CA only. Okay, but its answer is what? This. So guys, your answer is always A B comma C A. Okay, this is your answer. So see guys, this kind of old values with new, the temporary X, yes, that's modify X store. Just a second, huh? Even I'm reading your chat box. Chaitanya Patil, that modify X store temporarily because not update to old values with new. Yeah, right. So it's value which value we are printing? It's X value we are printing. So whatever the old values was there, that values got printed. So guys, see, this kind of tricky questions will be there. Okay, so here what happened actually? It is not kind of difficult. Okay, but it is tricky. So within a 1 minute of span or within a few seconds only itself, you have to identify a structure. So how to begin with it? Okay, so what you can do, you have to go with this particular one. You have to go with this X, right? Now just try to correlate with, yes, here we have X and here we have X. Then it doesn't matter what we have written over here. Because simple thing is that अरे भाई जो यहाँ पे x है, the x which is assigned over here, that same we are printing. Then no matter to go with this particular logic. And generally students are making mistakes. Okay, they are going with this particular logic only and they are getting confused. Getting? So it is simple as that. Okay, no issues for the same. If you are asking, then it is too simple again. Okay, little tricky and confusing. Chalo. Now we will go with second part. Okay, now I what I will do, I'll do some sort of things over here. X dot append. Okay, X dot append. If I'm doing, then on I'll do upper. Yes, on this particular I'll perform upper and I'll print X. Okay, yeah. Now what will the answer? ABCA. Okay, ABCA AB. Okay, ABCA. Okay, small ABCA, capital ABCA. Yes, small ABCA, capital ABCA with a comma. Yes. Okay, chalo. We will see again. Come here. Start debugging. Yes, people are answering properly. We'll check it out. What happened? It doesn't give me anything. Just a second. Just a second. Something went wrong, I guess. I need to put this and different screen. Okay. Yeah. Yes. If you try to find out, then we are not getting output. Okay. What is the reason? See, expect exceptions has occurred. Memory error. So what was the issue? Can you tell me? I'm stopping this particular so that it will get disappear. Yes, in chat box you can definitely put a comments, huh, guys. Guys, see, the loop which we are doing, that is not getting terminated. Okay, uh, on each iterations new items are getting added up over here. Okay, so that is the reason what happened whenever you try to print. Okay, whenever you try to print, okay, even though this logic, okay, can you just click on the green triangle on top right, so that, yeah, definitely I can do that particular things. uh, why you want me to do that particular things? Yeah, see, it is goes on infinite for loop. Okay, it keeps on executing, it keeps on executing on each iterations new value been added. Okay, and what happen after certain time it will give you a memory error, and it will definitely give you this particular. Okay, so this particular statement is responsible for the exceptions. Okay, it is a runtime, it is a runtime, it is not a compile time. Okay, yeah. Afterwards what happen, if we what we get if you remove this particular one. Okay, so what happened, previous code and this code, just a second, huh? Just a second, YouTube I'm just checking it out. Yes, exceeding size of x, right? I'm also checking with the YouTube also, huh, guys. We have Zoom as well as YouTube, and we are working together. Yeah, perfect. Yes, guys. Now what we can do, a simple case. So this for loop is stopping your output. Okay, so you can see, yes, x is here and x simply we are printing, but intermediate logic creating a trouble. Okay, intermediate logic creating trouble to have an output. Getting? So for that reason your answer will be here, definitely you should have option none of the above. Okay, and you have to do that particular things, you have to select that particular things. Okay, yes, none of the above, these options will be over here. Okay, yes, after moving to this, we are going with next code. Suppose I'm writing equals to, suppose one over here. Okay, uh, write while it is a true condition. If it is a true condition, then if mod of 3, okay, it was equals to 0. Okay, then yeah, okay, if no, then I need to go with the break. Print, I need to do I every time. Okay, chalo. Yes, guys, can you predict the output for the same? What will the output? Value is not defined. I value is defined. No, I equals to 1. Shivam, I have defined the value of I. Okay, chalo. Afterwards, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everyone is giving answer that is a 1, 2. Okay. Everyone is giving answer that is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, for better understanding, I'm doing this particular thing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, previous program you are talking about. Okay, 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 Shivam. Understood. Value was not defined. Ah, yeah, definitely it was not defined. But the question was that uh, conceptual. You might you can understand that particular things. Okay, chalo 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, on YouTube also some people are answering with perfect. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Some of giving answer that is 1, some of giving answer that is a 2. Okay, chalo, let us see. Up till now no one has given right answer. Okay, चलो देख लेते हैं कि क्या होता है. Okay, 1 2 perfect. चलो guys, simply I'll put this in manner. Okay, now run the code, start debugging here. See, yes, it is a perfect one. Okay, now if I did this kind of, then if I made this particular changes, then if I made these changes, then what will the output? Can you tell me? Same output, it will get changed. Okay, one output is there, only one. Doesn't matter, it is same. Okay, doesn't matter, it is same. Okay, okay. Rohit on YouTube, Rohit is telling yes, it will be error. Omkar telling error. Chanchal also telling yes, it will be error. Yes, now Namrata, I guess Salvi, yeah, Namrata Salvi is telling error. Nilesh Ohol telling error. Okay, now error का फंडा चालू हो गया पूरा. It's okay, all right. चलो, we will see. Yes, it is error because here whenever we are doing incrementing, then space is not required over here. So guys, whenever you sit for the examinations, that time you have to take a considerations with the spaces as well. Some of the time students are telling no, I thought ऐसे होगा, but because of your thoughts your answer might get wrong as well. Okay, so it should not be happen, and please focus with the spaces as well. We cannot claim, if it is a space, then we cannot claim that your program is wrong. We have to predict the output whatever the program is written over there. We don't have to correct that particular program. Okay, if it is given in such fashions, then simply you have to tick mark on the error or none of the above, whatever the options, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay, or whichever you have that particular one. Okay, but we don't have to correct that question. Guys, please do consider these particular points. Okay, sure. Now we will move towards the next code. uh, what changes I can do over here? Yeah, I'll make some sort of changes over here. Equals to then break. I now I'm writing in this fashion. Then what do you think? What will be the output? Same. Can we just use Python in TCS? Yes. It is choice based, no? So you can use Python as well. Do we get Python MCQs? Yeah, you might get Python MCQs, C also, Perl, some sort of Perl as well. Okay, sure. Yeah, we will talk on this particular later, since we are mainly focusing on solving your logics. Okay, so guys, main motto of this particular session and or workshop is what? How to solve your logics and how to focus on logic where the mistakes may possible. Okay, that we are focusing on. Yeah, definitely we are covering this particular 30 minutes or 1 hour sessions on which programming language and what is the examination pattern, etc. Those things we will talk with that theory wala sessions. Okay, but since we are here, we are mainly focusing on practicals and we are focusing on the questionnaires. Generally it is possibly it may ask in such this patterns. Okay, yeah, check. Yes, can you tell me guys what will be the answer of this particular question? Yes, Aisha. Okay, Aisha Banarase, or what is it? Yeah. So yes, but they tell a Python compiler not good, but they tell TCS Python compiler not good. What is good, what is bad? We will talk with this particular topics later on. Yeah. Yes, it is easy to find a mistakes, right? I do understand those particular things, but somewhere we need to take into the considerations that yes, if you are working with Python, okay, because nowadays what I'm feeling, to be frankly, what whenever I'm interacting with the several people, okay, several students, that time what I'm feeling, uh, people, if they are from a mechanical background, if people from the, just a second, I'm just disabling the annotations. Clear. Okay. Ah. So guys, whenever I'm interacting with the students now, with different departmental students like civil, mechanical, okay, that is non-IT background students, so somewhere they are also feeling comfortable with Python. Okay, somewhere they are also feeling comfortable with Python. That is the reason we are going with the Python. Python 2 is going to be used in an NQ2 pattern for Python. No, if they are using Python 2, then for Python 3 users there will be no issues. Okay, yeah. And by that time, what difficulty or what some sort of things you need to take into the consideration? Simply you can go with the Python official of documentations. Okay, there you can find out some sort of syntactical, like uh, previously when we were using Python 2, that time we don't have to use this parenthesis. Okay, simply we can put this in quotes. Okay, simply we can print this particular one, but later on in Python 3, parentheses get involved. Okay, so likewise some sort of small changes are there. Okay, some sort of small changes are there. So even though it is Python 2, or it is a Python, even though it is a Python 2 or 3, it will not that much affect you. Okay, it will not that much affect you. It will like simple फंडा है, ज्यादा कुछ उसमें difficulties नहीं आएगी आप लोग. Okay, yeah, because there you don't need to run the program, there you need to understand the programs. Getting? Yeah, if there you if there you consider this particular point, yes, in Python 2 they wrote something in this particular fashion. Okay, suppose if they write this is fashion, then you need to understand, yes, if it is a print, then in Python 3 we have to write in this particular fashion, but Python 2 we have to write in this particular fashion. So then there is not a wrong type. Okay, it is not wrong. Okay, yeah. So somewhere you need to go with the Python 2 ka official documents as well. Okay, with python.org you can go over there, you can read that particular concepts, or what is difference between Python 2 and Python 3, you can have that difference as well, and you can do those things. Okay, if you want to go with the Perl, then Perl is also a proper language. It is hardly it will take 2 or 3 days to understand. Okay, that is not a big deal to understand those things. Okay, yes, and mainly students are having their courses whenever they try to learn programming language, that time C, CPP and Java is mainly involved. Now trending wise, if you are talking, then Python getting involved day by day. Okay, chalo. Then afterwards, yes, Vishnuraj Yadav is telling, yeah, here I have created one error, that is 003. Okay, after 0 it is O. Yes, because of that reason you will face an error. Okay, you will find out the error. चलो यहाँ पे आ जाओ, देख लेते हैं. अरे what happened? Just a second, just a second. ना 1 2 तक जा रहा है, ये ऐसा नहीं जाना चाहिए था, ये 1 and then 2. Okay, if I am removing this, then just a second, huh? 7. Oh, yes. Can you tell me the answer of this particular one now? Guys, those who are on Zoom, guys, those who are on YouTube, please tell me what will the answer? Start debugging and tell me what will the answer? No, yeah, Chanchal Rai is correct. Okay, yeah, I will tell you what is the control exist. Okay, look, when I becomes 7, okay, so yeah, here we have control existence. Okay, control existence means loop get involved over here, and you will get all the iterations, that is what this particular one. Okay, so every time your control get exists, it is true. Okay, if these conditions, okay, then here we are going to break, but these conditions will never happen. That is the reason this loop getting involved. Okay, and always I will get incremented by 1, and that is the reason you will get an answer this particular. Okay, chalo. If we move towards the next point, then if I declare this as a 5, suppose if I am declaring this as a 5 and if I am declaring this as a 11, then what will the answer?
Still it error आएगा.
Error आएगा इधर पे. Yes, you can speak up, no issues. Yes, can you name your place? Yes, students. Yes, some of the students telling 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, Himanshu saying yes 8 9 10 something. Okay, I guess Himanshu का chat बीच में ना, हाँ, Himanshu is telling 5 to 10. Yeah, right. Okay, 5 to 10. Yeah, बीच में कोई भी बोल रहा था error 5 to 10. So same way 5 to 10. Okay, Chanchal Rai is telling nah, it is from 1 to 10. No, it is 1 to 10. Okay, Yash Yash Rastogi telling yes, it is 5 to 11. Okay. 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 Majority of people now telling yes, it is 5 to 10. Nilesh Overall telling it is 5 to 8. Okay, I don't know. Pankaj Kumar also telling 5 to 8. If I'm not wrong, then I think I know Nilesh Ohol. Yes, I know Nilesh Ohol. Previously, yes, he was my student. Yeah, perfect. Yes, yes, Nilesh, perfect. Yeah. Okay, I changed. Chanchal Rai afterwards focus that. Yes, by getting changed. Chanchal, you need to be more attentive by in examinations. Okay, you have to check all the variables before moving to forward it. Yeah. Yes. Now majority of people telling yes, it is 5 to 10. Guys, see what will the output. अरे यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है? 5 to 8 आ रहा है output. Then what is the change in rate? Okay, people are telling na it's a 5 to 10, and here output is a 5 to 11. Sorry, 5 to 8. So answer is 5 to 8. Okay, so what is the reason behind it? Just a second, I will tell you. Yes, it is from 5 to 8, because whenever we are moving towards this particular point, that time you can simply have a modulus. We are simply applying modulus operations over here, right? Now we can move forward with another concept. Okay, yeah, if I do sorry, 9, 0, 4, 9, if I'm 12. Yes, then what will be the output? Yes, Shubham, it is right. O means it is, we are using octal one. It is octal. It is basic concept section of Python. So somewhere I'm considering, yes, you are aware about this particular, because here we are not learning Python. Here we are learning how to take an output of the code. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, people are telling is it is from 5 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay, chalo, let us see. It is perfect. It is what? 5 to 9, right? Yes, now we will change some sort of things over here. If I'm going with the 1, Chanchal, I have changed I variable. Okay, now if I'm moving towards with this only 2 equals to, then break, then here I'm going with this. Okay, chalo. Can you tell me what will the output of this particular one? Okay, Shivam is telling 1. Okay, infinite loop. Shivam is telling it is infinite loop. Okay, Devashish Shetty telling yes, it is infinite, but all the odd numbers, infinite loop. Yeah, perfect. All number infinite loop. Okay, uh, infinite loop, infinite loop, infinite loop, infinite loop, odd numbers. Yes, perfect. It is all the infinite loop with the odd numbers. Chalo, we will just check it out. See, all the odd numbers are going over there. Okay, all the odd numbers. If you find them, बहुत ज़्यादा है, check. Okay, it went out of memory, but it is all somewhere you can find it out. Yeah, see, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, likewise, and so on and so forth. We will get all the odd numbers series. Okay, sure. So the options you will have that in this fashion. Huh? If you, here again you will have 2 options, A, B. I will not talk about the others other options. Okay, I will simply talk about this particular one, because it may possible they will try to confuse you. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, in this 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, or one option will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or so on and so forth. So what will be the answer? Simple. B option is correct one, because here we are getting that yes, so and so forth, but here Again, yes, this answer also right, but up to the extent, because we are going with the infinite, no? So infinite, we should select this particular one. So guys, please focus this particular concepts also, huh, somewhere. These are the small concepts, but yes, definitely it is more important points. Okay, sure. Then afterwards, what I need to change so that I can show you more example kind of things. Okay. While true, if we are moving, then I modulus of okay, chalo, I'll change this particular one. This okay, chalo. Perfect. Yes. Now, can you tell me what will the output of this particular one?
Uh, 2 4.
Yeah, exactly. 2 4. Yes. May I know the reason? So yes, Nisha Gaikwad asks, sir, in the exam also the Python code will be given to predict output. Yes, uh, somewhere there will be the code, no matter in which language it is written. Okay, no matter in which language it is written, the logics behind it will be the same, no? Yes, pile is perfect. Yes, cause afterwards, whenever we are doing these things, that time what happened? Why previously it was infinite? Because whenever we try to divide the all the numbers which we are getting, that was from 1. Okay, then if we add 1 into 2, 1 plus 2, then 3. So all the odd series we are getting. Okay, so nowhere this if loop get exist. Okay, but when we try with the but when we try with the even number, that time in next iterations or next to next iterations, first iterations it will be 2, second iterations it will be 4, and whenever third iterations will come, that time its value become a 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, so your remainder will be 0, and it will be getting like breakable options. Okay, so 2 and 4 will be the options. Yes, 2 and 4 will be the answer. Just a second, just a second. Yeah, 2 and 4 is your answer. Right. Chalo, meanwhile, I'm just checking out with the. Yes, Akhlaq Ali told me that he wants me to try with this particular one. Okay. Yeah, he wants me to try with this particular one. Yeah. Yes. Can you guess the output? What will the answer? Puja answer to Omkar telling nothing,
Nothing.
telling no, Mohit telling no output. Yeah, Divya Shetty told me, sir, can you increase the font size code so that it will be clearly visible? Yeah, sure. In the, just a second. Just a second, guys. Just please hold on. Hello, yes, guys. I was on call, no, so I won't able to do those things particularly. Okay, just a second. I just change the preferences from the preferences setting and control, and here I can change. Yeah, just tell me how much big you want. Uh, is it all right, or should I increase more? Yes, perfect. Na Namrata Rawat told me yes, it is perfect. Yeah, on YouTube, who has requested this particular one? Yes, it is now perfect. Yeah. Okay, chalo. If you want me to increase visible now, okay, yes. Divya Shetty told me yes, right. Chalo. If you are facing any kind of issues, then let me know. Yeah. Now let's come to the point. Yes, what can be the output of this particular one? Yeah. For I guess who requested this particular. Just a second. Yes, Alak Ali requested this. Okay, what will the output? Yes, majority of people telling no output, no output, no output. Yes, welcome Divya. Definitely there will be no output because first iteration only. Because I is what 2, and on first iteration only it is getting divisible. So you will definitely get value is that break. If it is a 1, then that what you will get?
1.
Sorry,
1.
1. Here it's previous only. Because now we are getting with what we call it as simple. Just a second, I'm just terminating this particular program. Okay, yeah, here will be not output 1 because see, here is a 1 perfect. Okay, 1 divisible by 2, no. Okay, so it will leave this particular one. It will simply print now incremental by 2. Yeah, the same thing previously we did. Right. Chalo. Next, what I can make changes. Okay, next what I can make changes so that okay, chalo. Sorry, I'll do one thing. I'll just simply copy this true over here, false over here. Okay. Now, if it is a true, print यहाँ पे true, and afterwards simply give a break. Yeah. Yes. Can you tell me what will the output now? Yes, I'm coming with YouTube. We having some sort of little late one. Okay, error. Gaurav told me yes, it will be a compilation error. Okay, Ankit also told me error. Alak also telling me yes, it is error. Okay, okay, yeah, right. Error. True is the keyword, I guess. Ankit told me. Yeah, okay, true is the keyword. Just check. Yeah, runtime error. Okay, perfect. Someone told me compile time. Someone told me yes, it is runtime. Okay. See, I am running this particular one, and it is giving yes, it is a true. True cannot be assigned. Okay. If instead of true, if it is a x, then definitely it is true only. It is true only. Okay, chalo guys. So we will talk with this particular one. Okay. So here if you have an option like true, false, okay, or none, if you have option that is none of the above, okay, none of the above, then what will be your choice? A, B, C, or D, respectively. Okay, what will be your choice? Here will be D. Yes, majority of people telling D. Yes, perfect. So I don't need to focus on that particular one. Yes, कि यहाँ पे जाना है, वहाँ पे जाना है. No. Yes, it is D. It means perfect. None is not the answer. Okay, none of the above is your answer because we are getting error, right? Yeah, that is the reason. If it is error mentioned, if it is instead of this none, error is mentioned, then definitely we will select option C, right? Perfect. Yes, guys. Now, can you tell me which is valid or which is invalid one? Okay. Suppose if I'm writing in this way, one. Okay. If I'm writing in this way, suppose it is also one. Okay. We don't have to run this particular. We just have to understand. Suppose I'm writing this particular one A underscore. Okay. And option is the above. Yes. Which one is invalid? Okay, which one is invalid? If you want to find out, then what will be your answer? None of the above. That is D. D options. Yes, perfect. Uh, Central is telling C. No, it is not C. Yes, it is D option. Okay, so this D options means what? None of the above. All are the allowed ones. Okay, all are allowed. Okay, chalo. Yeah, that is a variable declarations again. If you're talking about. Now, yes, if we move next point with this particular one, variable के बारे में देख रहे हैं ना, we are thinking about the variables. Then if I do with the a equals to ना a ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, रुको एक मिनट. What I will do, a b and c. Okay, a b and c is there. Now if we move with the 10, 20, 30. Okay, now a comma b comma c equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, yes, a underscore b underscore c equals to, okay, whatever the answer is, 10 20 30. Okay, now if I did this abc, then 10 20 30. Okay, can you tell me which one is invalid?
First one.
Yeah, it's first. Okay, answer is coming, that is it's first. Okay, Nutan Patoy told me yes, it is 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, majority of people is telling A. Yes, let me check with the YouTube also. Okay, majority of people is telling one option. Yes, it is right, guys. Yes, this is a invalid. It is a valid. Yes, you can give comma separated, okay, while writing or while assigning a variables, no matter for the same, okay. But if you give a space, then it is not allowed while assigning variables, okay. Yes, variables in its values. Yes, it is also valid one, so it will understand this particular a underscore b underscore c is your variable name and its value abc, and its this is its value, okay. Yeah. Mm, just a second, I'm just checking with the different answer. Okay, chalo. Now if I did this in this manner, suppose we have list, okay. Suppose we have list 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6, okay. And if we did list ka -1, okay, this is our list, okay, this is our list, okay. And if in this particular list if we try to find out -1, then what will the answer?
6.
6. It means what? It is your zeroth index, okay. It is your zeroth, 1 2 3. If you are moving forward, and if you are moving backward, then it is like -1 -2 -3, okay. Same, perfect it is. Mm, yes, on the while loops we were there now, okay. Try to find more questions over it, okay. Chalo, come with a new topic over here. Suppose if I'm writing this code, just a second, I'm just thinking for the logic. I'm just thinking for the logic which I need to do. Yeah. Okay. Some sort of this. Okay. Now come if I equals to 5. Okay. Again, if I equals to 5, then it will break. Okay. Yeah, we will talk about this later on. Else, if we are going with this, then print I. Okay. It is there. Now if we move with here and if we put else over here, print campus credentials, okay. Chalo. Yes guys, now can you predict the output for same? Okay, Pooja instantly reply that yes, it is 1 2 3 4 and CC. Yes, Shubham told me yes, we will get an error. Yes, Aniket telling it is compilation error, okay. Nilesh also telling it is error. Namrata telling yes, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 and CC. Then afterwards Kirti also telling error, okay. Nikita Kai telling error, okay. 6 1 2 3 4 and 6 0 0 onwards. Okay, 1 2 3 4 CC. Aslan Ansari is telling. Okay, Tanmay telling it's error. Yash Rastogi telling else without if. Okay, else without if. Okay, then afterwards Shruti Vichare telling it is error. Okay, chalo, we will check it out. Okay, we will just check it out what will be the answer. Simply I'll run this particular one. We are getting output. We are getting output. Yes or no? Okay. For else is allowed in a Python, right? Yes. For else it is allowed. Getting, guys? So for loop else is allowed if else loop is allowed. So that is the reason what happen if I in a range of 10. Yes, it is right. Okay, suppose if I did I equals to 100, then no output, same output as previous, same output. Okay, chalo, we will check it out. Yes, Aslan Ansari telling CC. Now all concept getting changed. Pooja is telling CC. Namrata Salvi telling CC. Dheeraj also telling CC. Okay, I guess. Okay, chalaga. Keep on answering. No issues. Okay, Shefadi saying yeah, Zim, no output. Okay, Ashutosh Raute telling CC. Yash Rastogi is telling CC. Yes. Now we will check it out. What will the answer? And it is Jay Shah. Yeah, it is 0 to 4. Understood. No issues for the same. Yeah, it is perfect. It is CC. So it doesn't matter if you are assigning this value with a different case than 2. So guys, these are the conceptuals one. We need to go with the concepts. Okay, yes, and we are providing this conceptual trainings as well. Okay, right? If you want to learn that particular conceptual trainings, definitely you can join with us. No issues for the same. Now, what I should make change over here so that it will be like something tricky will happen. Okay, no issues. I will do this activity. Yeah, इसका कुछ तो मतलब ही नहीं है. See, now can you tell me what will the answer? Yeah, Swapnil, I'm coming with your point. Yes, can you tell me what will the answer now?
0 1 2 3 4.
0 1 2 3 4. Okay. Yes, for that reason you can simply for conceptual trainings you can simply contact our websites as well. There all numbers are given. Okay, uh, we are sharing those particular numbers. Just a second. Just a second, guys. I'm just picking up that particular number, okay, so that I can share with you all. Or simply you can put forward your email also. Just a second. Contact @ okay. Yes, you can contact on this particular number. Okay, we are always there. Okay, chalo. Yeah, we will come over here and we will check out what was the output of this particular one. Yes, guys. Nutan Patoy is telling 0 to 4 and CC. Alak telling 0 to 4, 0 to 4. Chalo, come here and check. I hope you have checked the output. Okay, just a second. Huh? I need to manage this all tab, multiple tabs. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Now we will move forward with our next question. का logic क्या करूँ मैं? Okay. What I will do? X equals to, okay, suppose X variable value is getting from a range. Okay, so in this fashion I'm assigning value. Okay, chalo. In this fashion I'm assigning value. Okay. For I in X. Okay. Now I'm simply printing I. Yes. Now can you guess the output? Okay, can you guess the output? 0, 1.
Can we iterate over tuples?
Sorry?
Can we iterate over tuples?
Yeah, okay, we can iterate tuples as well.
So output would be 0, 1, 2.
0, 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah, Jay Shah telling 0, 1, 2. Omkar Agrawal, yep. Okay. Omkar Agrawal don't want to type anything. He's like, yep. Okay. So he's agreed with different people as well. Yeah. Right. Then what about the YouTube? Yes, YouTube people are also doing well. They are telling 0, 1 and 2. Yes. Perfect. 0, 1 and 2. Yes, we can iterate on it, our tuples as well. Okay. Right. Yes. Now we will move forward towards this. चलो क्या कर लेते हैं और एक चीज simple उसी को रख देते हैं. We will put that same thing over there. Okay, and if we did this same concept. Okay, I'm putting this for loop below this. Yes, can you guess the output now? Can you guess the output? Shiva Mandal is telling I is not defined, and Shubham Nawale telling 012 Okay, Nilesh Ohol telling 012. Chaitanya Patil telling 012 012 012 number का सारी also. Yes, 012 012. Okay, अरे some of Bhargavi. Okay, Bhargavi told 012345. Guys, if I'm taking the particular individual's name and if you're feeling bad, then sorry for it. Huh? If you don't have issues, then can I go with this same concept? Okay, like I'm reading name as well as I'm reading comments there as well. Okay, if you're okay with it, please put on okay. If you're not okay with it, please keep on excuse. Sure, yeah. Okay, Zoom people are completely fine. Okay, Alef told me yes, it is all right, sir. Perfect. What about YouTubers? YouTube people? Yeah, you are running, I guess 5 or 10 seconds late. Okay, Bhargavi told me okay, sir. Yeah, Abhishek, why did not CC get printed? Okay. Okay, no problem. Shubham told me. Okay, no problem. Yeah, cool. Raghav is cool. Yeah, sure. Yeah, guys, if I run this particular code, Abhishek, I'll come with your. Okay, so no, sorry. Okay. I'll not take that particular name. No issues. I'll not take your name if it is there coming there. Okay, sure. Come with the run, and if we run this, then we are getting output that 0 1 2, the same output only. Okay.
Can you explain, sir?
Yes, I'll explain this particular one. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Oh, why it is so? When this particular for loop get over, okay, generator object only once. The object is getting generated only once. It is not getting generated twice. Okay, means it's simple. We can put forward. Loop over generator object is only once. Okay, loop over object जो होता है, okay, that is only once होता है. उसके बाद वापस जनरेट नहीं होता है वहां पे उस पर्टिकुलर चीज. It is not getting regenerated over there. Okay, yes, but definitely if you put this as a okay, if you put this as a and if you put this as a, then what will the answer? Mohit Singh told me 012 Namrata saying it is error. Okay, okay, chalo, we'll check it out. What will the answer? See, then to its answer, because when the which we are talking about the object, okay, object is generated only once. Yeah, object is generated runs on the loop, huh? It is generating only once. Afterwards, yeah, if we want the output in a 012 manner, then what we can do? Just a second. Here y, and if we put y over here, then you will get double output. Nah, Omkar, it will not follow both the loops. Okay, it will follow only one loop. Okay, if you want it to be like it should follow both the loop. Okay, then you need to create second object also. See, A is not defined, but A is actually what happened, guys. It is a basic concept that what we are doing, we are simply accessing this as a inside the for loop only. We are not accessing outside the for loop. Okay, if you are accessing A as a outside, then definitely, like we are putting no for I equals to, that kind of concept it is. Okay, it's just accessing each value, okay, from the, so there no need to access your A. Okay, accessibility of A should not be required. If instead of this, if I am putting over here C, okay, and here I am putting as a C, then too it is not like it should be defined somewhere. See, output will be the same only. Okay, sorry. Yeah, now we will do some sort of no string concepts as well. Okay, some sort of strings concept as well. String, okay, my name is, okay, suppose my name is, if I'm giving Shira, okay, yeah, then, okay, then simple thing what I will do, I will access each word or each letter of this particular, each letter, okay, of this, then simply I'll go with the for I in string, okay, I in string, then we will go with this, uh, then what should I do? Simple, we are print, we will print, okay, print, so I go करेंगे print, okay, and after printing I, we will end with this comma, okay, chalo. Yes, can you guess the output? Yes guys, can you guess the output? Just a second, guys. Yeah, yes, I wasn't looking at comments, okay, because some people are contacting us, huh? That is the reason. Yeah, my name, okay, and so forth. Okay, okay, okay. I do understand the particular things. Okay, each letter with comma including space and okay. What about the YouTubers? Comma separated alphabets. Okay, comma separated alphabets. My name is Chirag with a, yeah, perfect. Guys, you can contact on this number as well. Huh? You can call on this particular number also. For more in for more inquiry, you can contact on this particular number. Yeah, sure. We will check it out. What will the output? Same thing. My, okay. Then afterwards, each space is also considering as a one character. Okay, because we are targeting ASCII value of it, and space also having its own ASCII value. Okay, so we are considering this particular one, and yeah, right. In this manner, we can do things. Perfect. Now, if I simply add, if I simply add split over it, then just a second, split is a function. Yes. Now, what will the output? Okay, okay. You will get it. Just a second. Okay, my name and so on. Okay, okay. Split some of the people name and then my name is Chirag. Okay, after each name you will get an output. Okay, yes, perfect. Sure. I'm running this particular code. My name is, then it is Chirag. So it is splitting. Okay, and whenever the splitting happens, it means after space we are splitting that particular one. Suppose if I'm giving a name over here, then what will happen? My comma n a comma m e comma likewise, so and so forth. So whenever it means what? Whenever we are performing splitting, okay, so inside the string, whenever we are getting this space, okay, whenever we are getting space, that time it is split operations get performed over it. Okay, chalo. Now, yeah, we'll do some sort of little test thing. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Yeah, suppose it is this particular list is there for a is what? -1. Suppose a is -1. Okay, in a, then print a -1. Yes, can you guess the output? 3. Majority people are saying it is 3. Okay, okay. Some people are doing error, some people are doing 4, some people are doing 3. Okay, chalo, we'll check the output. Its output is 0, 1, 2, 2. On each iterations, the value of, yes, 0, 1, 2, 2. Shivam browser is correct. Okay, what about YouTube people? YouTube people are also telling 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, no, guys, answer is 0, 1, 2, 2, because on each iterations the value of a minus 1 get changed. Okay, on each iterations value of a minus 1 get changed. Okay, yes guys, meanwhile I would like to announce you that yes, we are running a conceptual, okay, conceptual training programs, okay, for on the basis of TCS NQT, okay, for technical round, coding based round. Okay, there we are running all those code, all this particular code, okay, with what we can call it as step-based executions. Okay, so we are executing, or we are teaching you, or we are giving you training of a code in a such a fashions that if we wrote in this particular manner, no, so we are getting only this output. Okay, so here you could not able to understand the some of the things. Okay, yes, definitely somewhere you try to correlate with it. Okay, but which is the best practice when we understood this particular problems that students are facing? Yes, students are taking output also, right, but why it was happen? Okay, yes, I or previously I did not answer your one question, that why CC not get printed over there. Yeah, right. So I did not answer these particular questions, but guys, the way in which we are telling, the way in which we are teaching you in our particular courses, in which what we are doing, we are executing this particular code stepwise. Okay, means each in step what is the variable value and how it is getting changed, we are monitoring that everything, and we are just observing all those values also. Okay, so it means what? It's for your better understanding. Okay, all those concepts will get clear to you. Okay, Jeet Patel. Yes, I know. I guess I know him. Uh, yes. Jeet, I guess, is from Vartak College, right? Jeet, if I'm not wrong. Jeet was there. Nilesh was there. Nilesh is there. Okay, Nilesh is in a Zoom meeting. Okay. Yes. Yes, definitely. We can do that particular things. Okay, so that particular demonstrations I'm going to give you in a second half. Okay, because we are giving ample time. Okay, 6 hours for TCS NQT technical preparations. Okay, and for non-technical also we are giving 6 hours. Okay, so total 12 hours it is a session. Okay, so in next session, and that is next, I guess, 2 to 5. Okay, next schedule is 2 to 5, in which I'm going to present you that particular concept. If you like that particular concept, yes, definitely you can inquire us regarding those particular conceptual knowledge. Okay, and guys, we are pretty sure that this particular concept is not providing any other institutions. Okay, those who are giving this particular like, cause some CC always trying very hard to implement new things which is more understandable to students, or how it can be more understandable to students. Okay, so what we thought of, yes, you should understand the concept first. Okay, yeah, that is the reason we are applying this particular thing. Yes, definitely, definitely, Jayant, Deshmukh. I will explain this. Okay. Yeah, Omkar Jadhav. Yes. Can you explain how the output come? Yeah, perfect. Because guys, only looking at the output will not give you idea how it came. Okay. So always try to do those particular things. Okay. Not with respect to only Python, Java, C, and whatever the course which we are doing. Okay. Yes. Right. That all this code we are doing with the form of what we can call it as a simple stepwise executions. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I'm talking with you for a 2 minutes only. Okay, related to things that just a second, I'll give you example of this particular one. Those who are from electronics, no? Okay, those who are, yes. So I'll give you this particular answer, which type of question is going this year in a TCS NQT can explain. Yes, definitely, I'll explain you in the second half, because here we are just discussing related to those technical. Na? Yeah, in second half we will definitely go with the doubt solving sessions as well. Some sort of question and answering Q&A section is also there. Okay, uh, TCS is giving you choice. Okay, Muruga Anand. Okay, Muruga Anand. Okay, TCS is giving you choice out of these 5 languages. You can choose any one. Okay, yeah, Pranit Patil is right, it is your choice, you can choose any language. Okay. Mhm. So total we are having 5 languages: C, CPP, Java, Python, and Perl also. Okay, some people are might be possible those who are experienced persons. I think you all are freshers. Okay, some of you might be having some sort of experience with the industries. Okay, if it is yes, then to it is okay. If it is no, then to it is okay. You can go with any one of the languages. Okay, Perl is for those people. Yes, cause Perl is not yet involved in your syllabus as well, right? So some of the people who is doing like CDAC. Okay, some of people who is doing some sort of post graduation courses. Okay, PG diplomas. Okay, so on their syllabus it is mentioned. Okay, for them, for it is It is for everyone. So for that reason, they are put at Perl as well. And if you are talking now, then like previously when we are doing code in C, C++, then Java, then the code was getting too vast. But Python gives us Shreya Singh. Please, can you go fast? Yeah, definitely. I will try to do this particular things. Okay, we can go with a fast pace as well, but we have to think related to each and every people, no? Because now I guess 146 people are watching me on YouTube. Okay, and how many participants? Okay, 119 participants are in Zoom meeting. So I need to think more than 250 students. Think for more than 250 students. Okay. Yes, but somewhere definitely Shreya, I will take it
Sir, sir,
considerations. Yes,
sir, the options are given na, in TCS programming languages.
yes. Options are given.
Program means that coding and options that we tick on that.
Yes. You can check any one of that particular one. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can go with it. No issues for the same. Yes, we are running the crash courses. Okay, if you want to get enrolled over it, I have already shared the contact details. Okay, so you will get all the courses, and again that courses are live. Huh? It is not a recorded one. Okay, all the courses will be live, so that you will be having better understanding. Okay, and again it is on a Zoom. Yes, after lecture you will be providing all the same recordings also. Okay, yes, it is that reason. Yes, if you are feeling interested, then you can definitely contact on those numbers. The numbers are already been shared. Yes, Utkarsha is telling it is not visible. Okay, just a second. I'm sharing my number in a meeting. Okay, I have shared number. Okay, on Zoom as well as YouTube also. Yes, guys, you can note it down that particular number also. And previously, I have shared my official contact number as well. Okay, just a second. I'll share that number too. I'm sharing both the numbers. Okay, you can contact there also. After sessions we will be available. Okay, so that you will get, yeah, 8169 on that particular number. I'll find you. I'll get over there on that particular number. On 99, our colleagues will definitely answer you. Yes, so for next sessions we will keep something, no? I'll tell you this particular things. Okay, because in next sessions how we are tracing in a particular, what we can call it as stepwise. Okay, stepwise executions. Okay, that definitely there your question ka answer will be there. Okay, your question ka answer will be there. But yes, I
Sir,
hope
sir,
yeah. Yes.
sir, I have heard that in TCS 60% of the programming languages are provided with C++ option.
Uh, yes, you have heard that those things. It is right, but even though they are giving you option with the total 5 languages, yes, definitely somewhere they're having ups and downs. Okay, somewhere 60%, somewhere 40% as well.
Sir, it means that we have to compulsorily do means learn C++ in that. Yeah, if we know other languages, then we can
If you
cope up.
know other languages, then too also you can score, or then too also you can secure those particular concepts. Okay, but if you have actually what's your good name, can you tell me?
Shivam,
Yes, Shivam. Yes, I know. Shivam, can you tell me from which department you are?
electrical.
Electrical, no? Then no matter. Somewhere you have to focus on, means if you are comfortable with Python, you can go with the Python. Yes, but somewhere try to put a question option with C, either C or CPP. Okay, so it means if you want to segregate those particular concept out of these five, because see, on each language we are providing training, all the five languages. But if you are talking about the commercial aspects, okay, commercial aspects, because see, if you are asking me, provide training in C, if you are asking me provide training in Java as well, I don't have any kind of issues to provide a training. Okay, but the issue with is what, if it is getting vested of okay, it is getting vested in the sense what, if you are getting work done with your Java, okay, only with Java or only with Python, okay, then it is useful to you only, na? So instead of purchasing all the five bundles, yes, we are giving that option too, but it is for those who can go with it, or those who want to go with that particular one. Okay, for them we are going with that all the five bundles. Okay, but if you want, then what you can do, either you can go with the C or CPP, or these three languages, which is Java, Python, or Perl. Out of these two, you can, out of these five, you can choose CCPP plus Java, Python, or Perl. Out of these three, any one languages. So if you prepare in this fashion, then somewhere it will be benefited to you. Okay.
Sir, means that C++ will be compulsory and other languages they will give apart from the means rest 40%.
Yeah, below 40%, yes, somewhere it is that kind of concept, somewhere it is that kind of concept. But if you're talking, then see, how to explain that, I'm actually getting confused to you. Yeah, majority of C will be there, some sort of things pay, okay, some sort of things pay Python will be there, some sort of things pay Java will be there. But if you are giving a choice that I wanted questions related to Python only, then you will get questions related to Python only. Okay, so that will be what we can call it as a simple choice basis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Available on YouTube also. Yes, Akanksha. Yes, you can have this recording later as well. Yes, definitely, it's a live event. Okay, going on. We are streaming on YouTube also, and yes, laterally we will make it as a public. Okay, so you can have visit over there. No issues for the same. Yes, guys, and those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe our channel there. Please thumbs up. Uh, till now I got 72 thumbs up. Please hit like button, sir, as much as it is possible. 127 130 students are watching right now on online. Yes, and please subscribe also, guys. Yes, 132. Yes, yes. I was talking about the electronics students. Means, guys, see, if you are from electronics background, no, so my suggestion will be you should focus on two programming languages. One is a CPP or another one is a Python. Because if you are from electronics, then I know nowadays IoT subject is getting involved in your syllabus. Okay, and it is there in your syllabus. So Raspberry Pi, on the Raspberry Pi we are performing some sort of practicals, right? Some sort of practicals over there. Someone explain this code. And about the aptitude, guys, I'm coming one by one questions. Please try to understand. Okay, please. Zim, I already told you that yes, in stepwise executions you will get this particular answers somewhere. Please try to understand. We have another session as well, guys. Okay, and we will definitely go with it. Yeah, and thanks for liking videos, guys. It now 97 likes are there. It's really appreciating, guys. Yeah, Zim, I will never disappoint you. I will give you each and every questions, because we have to go with second session as well, no? So there, please, I hope you can understand, Zim. Yes, Shivam Bhavsar is telling, what about the mechanical? Yes, guys, tomorrow, Jayant Deshmukh, tomorrow we have same session on timing by 10 to 1 and 2 to 5 on aptitude. Okay, and this session will also getting mind blowing. Yeah, I'm taking technical one. Okay, for aptitude. Okay, quant aptitude and verbal, there will be different faculty and tremendously with a good ratings only. Okay, we are providing that particular. Okay, chalo. So and there will be also sir, second 2 to 5 coding or reasoning. That will be a coding one. Today we are simply putting 6 hours in a coding itself. Okay, uh, okay. Today we are putting that all points with a coding wala only. Okay, tomorrow we are going with the aptitude one. Okay. Yes, someone try to ask me something. uh, are going to cover aptitude as well. Yes, Jayant, we are going to cover aptitude as well. Yes, keep your screen in a bright mode. Okay, Akanksha wants me to keep my screen in white mode. After a long time, it is getting itch for my eyes. That is the reason I kept in this dark mode. Uh, yeah, dark mode is better because I need to sit in front of system more than 6 or 7 hours. No, so for that reason, for my safety, I have kept this in a dark mode. Yes, and yes, so guys, I have deviated from the main topic, that is electronics wala part. Okay, because we need to think for electronics, civil, and mechanical people as well. Guys, first of all, I'm just taking only 5 minutes. Okay, and afterwards we will again move towards the next point. Guys, see, if you are from non-IT background, na, do not think, can I do these things or not? Okay, so guys, reason behind it, it's what, okay, whenever you are doing, whenever you are non-IT students, no, that time you are putting more efforts over it. Okay, chalo, ये तो बात सही है. But again, what was my suggestions? You should go with the Python, because in a Raspberry Pi, that is IoT, Internet of Things syllabus, Raspberry Pi is there, and Raspberry Pi we are performing operations with respect to Python. Okay, somewhere we are connected with the Python, and yes, वो जमाना चला गया जिसमें हम लोग बोलते थे वी आर फ्रॉम नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड, कोडिंग से हम लोग का कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. Okay, now we don't have to create this particular statement, cause each and everywhere, cause simple thing, if you are asking, then smart watches, your mobile phone nowadays are IoT. So IT plus electronics have to get combined somewhere. Okay, have to get some combined somewhere. Actually, people who are from mechanical, people who are from electronics, electrical should feel we are best, cause do not get demoralized. Okay, IT coms students, but thing is that the knowledge related to hardware, the knowledge related to some sort of sensor based events, knowledge based related to some sort of mechanical aspects, okay, is better than better with respect to mechanical, civil, then electronics, okay, and electrical. Okay, but if you talk about the IT students, they are only very well aware about the DBMS and RDBMS, data structures, okay, algorithms. Yes, and somewhere we have to do that for you. Yes, C language is also there. In what language we will be programming those games based on? It's based on your choice, which choice you are providing. Okay. Chalo guys, now we have spent ample time with this. Now we will go with a different one. Okay, before zero. Now if I put this zero, yes, yes guys, can you answer the question? Shivam telling it is zero. Okay, yes, Swapnil told yes, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 somewhere. Okay, chalo. Now, what about the YouTubes? What about the YouTube? YouTube people saying yes, it is 0, 0, 0, same as a yeah. Now Shivam Bhavsar answered 1, 2, 3, and Alak given answer that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Shivani Singh on YouTube, she answered that 0, 1, 2, 3. Namrata Salvi on Zoom 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Sukanya Vaidya 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Abhishek Gupta giving answer that it is a 0. Chalo, we will see. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, see what iterations. What I will say, simple thing. On each iterations, the value of its a0, value of a0 is goes on changes. Okay, the first value it takes and itself, then no visible error in current exam. Okay, so what will happen, it is keep on changing its value. Okay, since it is changing its value, it is keep on moving. Okay, and what was the previously it is giving, yes, it is previously giving you 0, 1, 2, 2. Okay, then what will be the what we simply call it as answer. Okay, we will check it out in a stepwise. In second sections you will get that particular answer also. See, if I'm putting this particular one, then what will the answer? Two, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 3. Yes, Ankita replied that 0, 1, 1, 3. 0, 1, 1, 3. Yes, the answer is 0, 1, 1, 3. 0, 1, 1, 3. On each iterations, the value of it get changes. How it is getting changes, I'll tell you that particular. Okay, chalo guys, come to this particular point. Now, what I'm doing, I'm simply putting or I not in A. Okay. Now, this kind of concept we will try to put forward. Okay. Now, what should I print? Simple, I can print I. Okay. Then I plus equals to 1. Okay. Yes, guys, can you answer this particular question thing? No output error. Okay. Okay, no output, or it might be error, syntax error. Okay, error maybe. Chalo. So here I'll give you option. Okay, something कुछ to answer. Okay, something कुछ to answer रहेगा. Okay, what is the answer? We don't have to think for it. 0. Okay, if we want to go with the error पे आ जाएंगे. We can go with the none of the above. Okay, none of the above, that's NOA. Now can you tell me the answer? Error, that is C. Yes, right. Check with it. Just a second. I'll run this particular one. Or we cannot use over here. Okay. Sure. If I'm going with this, chalo. My name is Chirag. Okay, suppose my name is Chirag. Or I am, if I'm giving joint and then split, then what will happen? Okay, sure. Join string over it we are like split. Okay, since it is a loop, we have to do this, and afterwards here we are concatenating. We can give space for okay. Now we see here I'm printing I, comma, end with this particular one. Yes. Now can you answer this particular one? What will the answer of this? Okay, Shivam told me it will from dot. It is my name is Chirag. Okay, my name is Chirag. Okay, but my comma name is comma. Okay, Shivam told me it is error. What about this? YouTube. Okay, my comma name comma. Okay, Shivan is saying Ankita is telling my comma name comma. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm audible. No, guys. Please post your response in the chat room. Huh? Just a second. Yes. Okay. Actually, what happened? Yes, I'm audible. Actually, my internet connection got reset now, so that is the reason. Just wait for 2 minutes, okay? So that all the data will come on the YouTube also. Okay, we are just waiting for it. Yeah, it is there. We are on YouTube now. Yes. So sorry guys for the inconvenience. Internet connection got resetted. That is the reason I left with it. Okay. Sure. Chalo, so we have doing this particular one. We need to check with this particular output. Okay, answer is same. Okay, my name is this particular one. Sure, right? Chalo. Guys, just a second. I'm getting that is a chat is disconnected from me, my side. Just a second. I'm just refreshing this particular one. Just hold on for a moment. Yes, guys, it was a network issue. Internet connection got resetted. That is the reason I left meeting and again I rejoined this one. Okay, chalo. Okay, guys, we will go with different concept now. चलो. Sorry हाँ, actually इंटरनेट कनेक्शन रिसेट जब हो गया ना, सब मेरे विंडोज को मुझे वापस सब रीअसाइन करना हुआ. ओके, सब ब्लैकआउट हो गया था इसकी वजह से. चलो. Okay, guys, see. Now if I'm moving with x 1 2 3 some sort of things पे कुछ तो. Okay, now I'm going with for I in x print I. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes guys, am I audible properly in Zoom as well as YouTube? Okay, people are thinking yes. Actually I did not get any response now, so I was like yes, if I'm audible or not. Yes, Jiban. Oh, thank you. Yes, Zim answered it's 1 2 3. Okay, Swapnil from Zoom chat room, he told me that it is error. Okay. Mm, Shivam Bhavsar, he also told me yes, it is error. Now on Zoom meeting, everyone is replying with answer. Int object cannot iterate. Int object cannot iterate. Okay. Yes, he was there. It is there actually answer. Chalo. So if I have run this particular one, definitely I'll get an error. This int object is not iterable. Understood? Yes. For that reason, we cannot. We will get an error. If I put in this manner. Then
अभी देखो वो खुला था, खुला नहीं था, ऐसे हल्का सा गांठ मार के लाई थी, ऐसे करके लाई थी, मैं खुद ही लाई थी, ऐसे करके मैंने लाई थी गांठ मार के।
okay, it's all right. Yes, right. List is iterable, int is not iterable. Okay, chalo. So now if we move forward with the dictionary kind of things, okay, on 0, suppose I am putting a, 1 I am putting b, 2 I am putting c. Okay, now this is x. Okay, x in I. Okay, now it is 0. Yes guys, can you answer this particular one? What will be the answer? Yes, some people are telling 0, 1, 2. Some people are telling ABC. Okay, what is the status of YouTube? Yes, YouTube. Bhargavi is saying, sir, why don't you tell in a C? Okay, Bhargavi, you want me to do some sort of things in a C? Okay, I'll do that particular arrangement for you the same. Okay, no issues. I'll make same arrangement for the C also. Shreya Singh is one. Okay, Chanchal, after a long time she is replying. Okay, A colon A, 1 colon 0 column A, B. Okay, then afterwards Sukanya Vaidya is giving answer. Okay, will it give key value pair? No, it will not give you key value pair. Key will be printed, right? Nutan is right. Key will get printed. Okay, so key is starting from 0. Okay, so definitely your answer will be 0, 1, 2. So here your keys will get printed. Okay, right. Chalo. Now we will do this things. I'll make some sort of changes over here. Okay, I and J. Okay, inside the X only. Okay, and we will print I comma J also. Okay, yes. Yeah, what will the output? Yes, we will get error. People are saying answer is error. On YouTube it is actually quite delay, no? So I need to think for both the way. Yes, Darshita is saying yeah, it is an error. Come here. Okay, cannot unpack not iterable int object. Okay, we cannot unpack that particular one. Non-iterable object is we cannot unpack it. Chalo. Now if I add items over here, then what will be the answer? Yes, if I add in this way, then what will be the answer? Okay, Omkar Agarwal is saying error. Okay. Yes, it will display the key value in each line. Okay, key value in each line. Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay. Right. This time majority of people is right. Okay, you will get answer in this particular fashion only. Okay, key value there, right. Next, what I can do? Okay, if I apply over here, instead of items, if I apply only keys, okay, and here I put x in the form of I. Okay, then what I will get? Yes, guys. Zero, 1, 2. Pratap is saying ABC. Namrata is saying 0, 1, 2. Yes. Shruti Vichare is saying ABC. Zim is saying ABC. Siddharth is saying ABC. Yes, it is ABC. Because here I is there. No, guys. So we are taking keys and we are printing that location wise. If you're talking, then ABC will be your answer. Okay. Chalo. Now, like we are taking keys, no? So instead of that, I don't want to take key. I want to take directly values. Okay, I took values with I. Then I cannot pass with this particular one. Okay, I need to pass with this. Okay, so directly ABC will get printed. See, ABC will get printed over here, right? But suppose if it is a values, okay, and this is a I, and if I put in this manner, then what I will get? Yes, what will be the output? Okay, Shubham told me it is error. Pratap tell me it is error. Okay, which error can you tell me? Array, what happened? Pawan Patil told me yes, it is ABC. Now Siddharth Gupta is telling error. Zim is telling error. Yes, key error. Right, it will be a key error. Perfect. Chalo, come here and we will check it out. It will say it is a key error with the A. Okay. Yes, it means what happened, we are targeting its values. Okay, so A will get inside I, and if we try to find out, then we will not get. Okay, but suppose if I put this A over here, then can you guess the output? Okay, A error. Okay, Nutan is saying error. A not defined. Swapnil is telling A is not defined. Okay, what about this? Siddharth Gupta is telling error. Okay, majority of people is saying it is error. So we will just check it out. Name A is not defined over here. Okay, it means what? A is not defined anywhere. Okay, sure. Since it is from values, sorry. So values coming inside the I, and if you try to find out that, we will not get it. Yeah, A is not defined. Perfect. In simple words, if we are doing this, then if I apply A comma B comma C, okay, yes, and if I did in this particular manner, I'm targeting its values, okay, then what will the output? Yes guys, error, error, majority of people are saying error, still error. Okay, here we will get A is not defined, that is error. Yes, no value of pair key is available, right? Chalo, I'll do some sort of things over here. Inside this x cube, on x we will do print x dot add. Okay, add, then we will put x over here. Okay, chalo, can you guess the output? A not defined. Okay, here also we will get error, that people are saying error. Okay, 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 people are saying error. Chalo, do A is not defined wala error we have. But here I will try to do this. Okay, perfect. चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Suppose if I did in this manner, here is a 0, print I over here. Yes, and what will the output? Nothing will be at output. Okay, nothing will be at output. Okay, we will check it out. There will be no output, none. Okay, yes, right. Chalo. Guys, now we will do some sort of things over here. If I did 2 point, okay, yes, 2.0, okay, and if I'm doing printing I, and what will the output? Error. What will the error? Can you tell me? Yes, it is error, that is float object cannot be iterable as an integer. Yes, in a range only integer values should be get passed. Okay. So what I can do over here, in simple words, I need to do casting. I'll do casting over here. Okay. Now if I apply int in a range of this, then what will be the answer? Answer will be in the form of this, that is 0.0, okay, in this form, or else it will be form this 0 and 1. Vivek Bhavsar is telling it is a 0 1. Shivam is telling it is an error. Okay, need to check with the output. 0 and 1. Yes, it is 0 and 1. Okay, cause what happened, it is getting type of integer, and range is always argument as an integer. Okay. Suppose if I did float over here, okay, then INF, and any value we can put it over there. Okay, if I did it in this particular manner, then okay, error. Okay, perfect. It will fetch you an error. That is float type cannot be obvious. Only integer type will get. Okay. Now, if I did in this manner, then cannot convert float infinity to integer. Getting, guys? Afterwards, come over here. Yes. Here now we will pass some list over here. Okay, I'll pass one list over here. Okay, here is a list. -1. Perfect. Yes, now it's a print I. Yes. Can you explain me what will the output? Yes. Can you tell me what will the output? Jeet is giving answer 0 1. Okay. Pawan Patil is telling answer 4 3 2 1. Okay. Nutan is saying 1 2 3 4. Namrata is saying reverse the list. Swapnil 4 3 2 1, that is reverse of list. Yes, majority of people are saying yes, reverse of list. Yes, now try to run this particular one. Yes, it is reverse of list. Yes, this particular concept is creating a reverse in a list. Okay, this particular, it is responsible to reverse the list. Okay, now I will add up some sort of things, huh? This thing. Okay, here I will join. Yes, join will be there. RE reversed. What will the reverse? List. Okay, list will be in the form of A B C D. Okay, chalo. Yes, can you guess the output? DCBA, DCBA, DCBA. Okay, suppose guys, if you have this particular option DCBA and array, and if you have this option DCBA, yes, which option you will select? Option B. Yes, right. This second option you have to choose. Just a second. What about the YouTube? Yes, these are the options. Just a second. I'm checking with YouTube's as well. Yeah, DCBA. Chalo, now I'm running this particular code. See, DCBA. So you have to select that particular options, which is option B. Is perfect one. Okay. Now same thing we can do with this. Come here. Here if you put A B C D. Okay. Here if you put A B C D -1. Okay. Chalo. Here is my. Just a second, guys. Just hold on for a moment. Yes, Swapnil, all the characters will be in a new line, but in examinations, the options which you will get, there one will be with a space and one will be without space. Okay, so in that case, you have to give that second one option. Yes, so okay, I'm saving this. And I'm running with this Python run, and then go with this. Okay. See, DCBA. Okay, again this is the same concept, huh? DCBA means what? DCBA. Okay, this will be your perfect answer. Yeah, I know it will show you on this particular one, but in examinations, if you get the option in this particular fashion, then definitely you can choose this particular one. But we are pretty sure that you will get in this fashion only. Okay, you will get in this fashion only. Okay, so simply this particular concept is just reversing the list. Okay. Guys, something come in my mind. If I put it is reversing, but I don't want to reverse this particular concept now. If I'm giving in this manner, then what will be the output? It will show me error or nothing. Blank, none. Okay. Yes, Vishal Shukla, it is perfect. We have to go with this particular B. Pawan Patil, no error. Okay, I guess they are lagging. I guess YouTube is lagging quite. Okay, no. Okay, majority of people. Chaitanya Patil is saying no output. Yes, Siddharth Gupta on YouTube is saying null. Dhanashri Dhanwade is telling empty. Sahil Shinde is saying nothing. Okay, chalo, let us see. We will check. I have to remove this particular one and then I need to check it out. Definitely it is a blank. Okay, nothing will get printed over here. Now if I run this particular code, if I just a second guys. Okay, x equals to 2. Okay, for I in a range. Okay, here is a range, and if you go with the x, okay, and here x range is there, it is a type of integer, definitely it will take value. Now I will simply put forward x by 1. Okay, incremental print x. Yes, can you guess the output? 3 4. Okay, yes, Pratap, I'll come with your that particular questions also. Okay, so it means what? The variable x will what incremented and printed twice only. 3 and 4, right? No, Namrata, 3 and 4 then dot dot dot. No, it is not likewise. It will work with only twice. Okay, Shivam, it will work with only twice. You people are giving dot dot dot. It means I am considering it is like infinite loop. Okay. Yes. Now what we will do? If I did this incremental, now we are going with the decrementations. Let us see what will the output. Yes, can you tell me the output? Yes, Shivam is saying it is 1, Nikita is saying it is 1. Okay. Okay, 1 0. Okay. Okay, 1 0. Just check with the YouTube. Yes, people are saying 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. See, here also loop will execute twice. Okay, chalo, come here. 1 and 0, right? Now suppose if I give in this particular manner, then what will the output? Because Sapna Mishra, its value gets starting from 2, no? Okay. So on first iteration, its value will be 1, and second iteration, its value will be 0. Yes, Vivek Bhav sir giving answer 0 minus 2. Yes, what about the YouTubers? Okay. Ankita giving answer that is 0 minus 2. Yes. Pawan is giving 2 minus 0. Okay, actually I'm not clear with Pawan's answer. 2 minus 0 or 2 hyphen 0. I did not understand that. Darshita Gilda is giving answer 0 2. Okay. So will not the for loop range take? Actually, it is giving a range, no? So it range means what? Only 2. Okay. So whatever the value coming first, that will take inside this. Okay. Afterwards, this loop will get executed. So updated value will not goes inside this particular range. Okay. Updated value will not goes inside the range. Yes. Possibly, I'm in second half. I will do all this particular stepwise executions. Okay, of your Python code. So if you're doing this stepwise, no, then that will be more easy to understand you. Yes, see 0 and minus 2. Okay, this will be your answer. Now what I will do, simple case if we do, then suppose I equals to 0. Okay, now we are going with a while one, while one. While, okay, I is less than 5. Okay, and after this we will go with the print I. Okay, come here, I equals to 1. Okay, now if I equals to, suppose it is a 3. Now come with a break. For while we can apply definitely else print 0. Okay, chalo. What will the output? Can you guess the output? Yes, guys, can you guess the output? Zero zero. Siddharth Gupta is giving answer 0 0. Vivek Kaus are giving answer that is 0 1 2. Okay. Sapna Mishra 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 0. Okay. Chalo. So come here, we will see just output. What will the output? Print over here 0 1 and 2. Okay, because whenever the value becomes a 3, it will break the execution, right? So your value will be always 0. Now come here with if I, okay, I is less than 5, and here if you are putting this particular 5, if I'm removing this, simply break. Simply I'm removing this particular break. Now if we thought about the answers, then what will the answer? Yes, now 0 will get printed over here. Now definitely 0 will get printed over here. Yeah. Right. Pawan Patil enjoying the session, I guess he is sending emojis. Okay. Ankita answering yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Guys, I know, yes, it might be possible it is from my end, it is an understanding problem or whatever, that I don't know. But yeah, some people are giving answer with a space, like on YouTube, Ankita answered with 0 space 1 space 2 and so on. Okay, whatever the answer is with space. So, and some of people are giving answers with the continuations. Okay, so please guys, try to understand these particular things. If you did this same mistake in examinations, that you have two options and one option with space and other option is without space, then you should always stick with space wala option. Okay, chalo. If we go with this, then yes, first of all this loop will get completed and afterwards this loop will get executed, right? Chalo. See, now I'm giving string type of A, B, C, D. Okay, this kind of. If I'm giving while I in X, suppose, okay, print I comma end. Okay, space. Chalo. What will be the answer? Okay. Rohit Chaudhary, chat is disconnected. Nah, just to refresh it, Rohit, you will get that particular one. Did not see the last statement. FFS. Raghav, can you tell me what is FFS? Faiza Hafiz. Okay, Faiza Hafiz answers me error. Okay, Swapnil also I not define and it is error. Okay, Chaitanya also is now giving answer that is it is error. Zim also answering it is error. Okay, chalo. Come here. We will check with the output what we get. It is an error that I is not defined, right? So I is not defined is that is a particular error over here. If I did this particular concept, just a second, I'll make some sort of changes over here. Okay, I have defined this particular I also. Okay, now if I try to find out the answer, then what will the answer? Error. Okay, Swapnil is saying no output. Vivek from Zoom is saying no output. What about the YouTube? No output, no error. Umair Ansari. Pawan Patil is saying it is error. Chaitanya Patil from Zoom is saying no output. Siddharth from YouTube is saying null. Okay, Vishal Shukla is saying it is error. No output. Now Vishal Shukla changed his mind. Namrata Salvi is saying okay, Namrata Salvi and Namrata Rawat. We have two Namratas. Okay, they are saying no output and no output. Okay. Darshita from YouTube she's saying no output. Zim is saying no output. Okay, Mayuri Dollars is saying no output. Okay, perfect. So we will say check. Is there is no output because the I which we try to find out inside the X, which is not there. If I give this I over here, then what will the output? Okay, Vishal Shukla, that is the last question answer. Oh, sorry, because it is a synchronization issue. Because whenever I'm looking at YouTube, that time it is quite little delay in YouTube. That is the reason. Sorry for this. It will check. Nutan from Zoom, she is saying check that char in X is infinite I. Okay, infinite loop, infinite I. Okay, yes, infinite I. On Zim also saying yes, it is I. Infinite loop. Alak. After a long time, I saw Alak. Previously, he was more active, but after internet connection lost, I guess he loses his interest. No issues. Just joking, huh, Alak? Okay, infinite loop, infinite loop, infinite I. Okay, so we will check with it. Infinite I. चलो भाई इसको बंद करो. Okay, चलो yes. What else I can do? If I give instead of this, if I give this A over here, then previously I was at the end. Okay, now A is at the beginning only. Then will it change or same as I? Okay, Sapna Mishra is saying only A, and Swapnil, Nutan, etc. people are saying it is infinite A, same as I. Right, it will never change. It will never change with its locations, whether it is at the beginning or it is at the middle or it is at the end. Okay, it is never mind. It will like same output. इसको यहाँ पे ना रुकना पड़ेगा मुझे. Okay, चलो. Okay, if I did in this manner, then if I did in this manner, then what will be the output? Same. Shiva Mandal is saying I, then A. Vivek Bhavsar is saying infinite I. Okay. Zim saying it is A, infinite A. Chalo. If you look at this now, if it look at this, then it is I. This I is come from where? Here. Okay. Now suppose if I am giving this space over here, then it will change or not. No change. Same. Okay. Now, we will do some sort of things over here. We will keep all these things as same as it is. Okay, now if we go with x equal to x, then afterwards if I put -1, okay, then this is this time I need to print, variable I value I need to print. Okay, then this is the end. Yeah, can you guess the output? Shivam is saying infinite loop. Okay, Shivam is saying infinite loop. Okay, here okay, now I need to wait for YouTube also for 2 minutes. Okay, Sapna is answered with 5 times A. Okay, Umair answer is that on YouTube they are saying yes, it is I only. A only. Okay, Zim somewhere it is right. Okay, only Zim told unique answer. Okay. After a long time, again, then Raghav is saying A infinite. Chanchal is saying infinite A. Siddharth is saying infinite A. Pawan Patel is saying infinite. Okay. Yes, so I got 2 unique answers from YouTube as well as Darshita is also saying 5 times A. Okay, Namrata Salvi is saying 5 times A. Okay, Alak again he is from long time, he is saying infinite A. Okay, chalega, we will run this particular one. See, we are running this and we will get 5 times A. Suppose 5, so here also 5. Now I am giving 6, 7. Okay, now no output. Okay, Swapnil Athavale is saying no output. Okay, Shoaib Sheikh is saying 5 times A. Prathamesh is saying 5 times A. Umer Ansari is now saying 7 times A. Prathamesh saying 6 times A. Okay, 7 times A. On Zoom, Namrata is saying 7 times A. Okay, Alak is also saying 7 times A. Chalo, let us see what will the output. It is a 7 times A. Okay, it means what? It is depend upon your its length. Okay, now it's 3, so definitely it will come up with a 3 times A. Getting? Now guys, we will take one more example, then afterwards we will stop here. Okay, and then after again by 2 o'clock we will meet again. There I will make some sort of setup related to that stepwise executions. Okay, and we will see, check it stepwise. Chalo. If what changes I can do over here, it is -1, so I can I did this manner, then what will be the answer? Yes guys, can you answer this question? same 7 times. Okay, Pratap say 1A, Swapnil say 1A, Omkar Agrawal saying same 7 times. Okay, 7 times it means I can understand Omkar. It is like 3 times because now we are giving that is 3. Huh? Okay, Namrata Sarvi is saying 3A, Abhishek is saying 1A, 3A, just 1A. Omer Ansar is saying just 1A. There no issues. I can understand that things. I can understand it is typo. First I got that particular things in mind, but laterly I come to understand no, it is answer. I for that reason I also checked with this x ka value. Yeah, only A. Perfect. If you go with this, then you will get the answer that is only A. Right. So, guys, likewise, you will have the questions. Okay. Right. So somewhere it will be more tricky. So, guys, after understanding Zoom people as well as YouTube people, I would like to give one more suggestions that yes, you guys are doing well, perfect, but somewhere we need to go with proper concepts. You require some sort of conceptual knowledge, right? Yeah, and yes, in a span of 3 hours or 6 hours, we cannot clear your all what we can clear your concepts, or not even we are here to clear your concepts. We are just giving you idea what kind of questions they may ask you in TCS NQT. Okay, so guys, instead of solving so many questions, okay, uh, okay, instead of us solving so many questions, go with the logics. Okay, go with the concepts. Its concepts is clear with you. For that reason, definitely we are giving you several bundles with the 5 programming languages. Each is having nearly 20 to 25 hours complete live sessions. Okay, that is one-to-one sessions will be there. You can ask some sort of questions over there. If you want to get registered for the same, I have already shared contact details with you. Okay, if you want me to share again, I'm sharing again. Just a second. In Zoom meeting also I'm putting same question. Yeah. Okay, I'm sharing both the contact details. Okay, you can contact over there, and if you want to get a proper understanding of concepts, okay, at each line how value is getting changes. And I know you have some questions I haven't answered because there is some reasons. Okay, we have to go with that particular one. Yes, definitely, we can go with it. But the thing is that the answers which you have, the questions which you have, okay, for that we have answer, but the answer that we are giving in a different manner. Okay, so for that reason you can always contact us, no issues for the same. Okay, guys, we will see by 2 o'clock. Okay, I'm expecting you all people again should join this. Okay, and guys, please give a like. Okay, and please do subscribe. Yeah, 168,000 subscribers now. 168, 1068 100 only. Okay, chalo. Chalo guys, thank you. We will see you by 2 o'clock. Yes guys, can you comment me how was the session, how you feel it? Some people on YouTube as well as on Zoom also, please give a short feedback related to sessions, please. How to join meetings? Yes, Muruga, are you Muruga Anand? Okay, Muruga Anand, are you already connected with CC campus credentials? Yes, YouTube people, you also you can put your session is good, but sir, there is MCQs in Python. Yes, I know you wanted to be in some sort of C also. Bhargav, can you tell me? Yes, Bhargavi, can you tell me from which department you are? Yes, Swapnil, you can practice. Yes, where can we practice? Yes, guys, we are providing tests also. Okay, we are giving you test also. Okay, and that particular test you can have a practice. Lots of practice questions are there. Okay. Yes, MS is saying very interactive. Yes, Chanchal is saying very interactive. Yeah. And MS is saying really good. Yeah, really, it's appreciating, guys. Okay, it was great. Zim also is saying yes, Zim, and you were there with each questions you are answering. That is good. Okay, I really appreciate your efforts also. Okay, then Bhargavi is saying yes, electrical and electronics. Okay, you're from electrical and electronics. मतलब वो बंदे लोग जो बोलते हैं हम लोग का प्रोग्रामिंग से कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है. Okay, Bhargavi, I do understand these things. I'll take some sort of C का भी programming concepts over there. Namrata is saying very useful, but want to practice more questions. Any side suggestions for practice? Yes, Namrata, if you are already joined with campus credentials, then we have that particular bundle, or I guess we will create that particular bundles on Sunday till Sunday night or Monday morning. You will get that particular. You can access it through your dashboard. Okay. I don't know how it will be, but yes, there is an arrangement. Okay, there is an arrangement made from campus credentials side. Okay, and you can use that particular one. Okay. Yes, Abhishek, it is on our website. Okay, there you want to register and some sort of it is actually paid services. After obviously it will be paid services because we are giving you all the reports and etc. Those things are there, and once you are purchasing those things, we are personally monitoring you. Okay, and whatever the doubt solving sessions we are conducting repeated doubt solving sessions. Okay, and the 20 to 25 hours the courses, that particular bundle I told you, no, that related to this conceptual knowledge clearance. Okay, yeah, prerequisite for the same is if you are purchasing C and if you are purchasing with Python, then there you should have some sort of basic concepts only, that is syntax. You should know the syntaxes, how to use that particular syntaxes. Yeah, I will tell you that particular things. Okay, it is enough C or we have to learn Python also? Bhargavi, if you learn Python, no, then it will be two great things, because see, after learning or after C, you can definitely part of the company, but somewhere you have to learn that Python. Okay, so what will happen to enter into company, it is not our main goal. After entering our company, we have to sustain over there, guys, and we are mainly focusing on what? Yes, people are getting what offer letter mil gaya, it does not stop for us. Okay, it does not stop for us. What we want, yes, we want that अगर बंदे का प्लेसमेंट हो जाता है तो फिर वो वहां पे स्टैंड स्टिल रहे. Okay, and we are also taking the feedbacks from the previous batches, and we are, yes, absolutely, we are working on it, and we are doing really hard. We are working. Yes, we should not tell that particular things, but I'm telling these particular things. Yes, we are completely taking follow up. Yes, after getting placement, our students are long lasting there with us. they are with us in the sense they are with the companies, they are not getting eliminated. Like, in Infosys, there is, in a span of 1 year, they are eliminating the students also. Okay, so generally it is not happening with the campus credentials. Okay, and we are also happy to say this particular things. Yeah, currently cont verbal test available. Yes, Swapnil, currently cont test available, it is available. Yes, you can call on our support system. They will be best person to guide you with it. Okay. Yes, Bhargavi, your same questions, then my answer will be the same. If you go with the both the languages, it will be great for you. Okay, it will be great thing for you. Okay, understood. TQ. TQ means, I guess, thank you. Okay, whatever it is. It is. Sir, I'm asking that in TCS NQT exam also MCQ is very long. Yes, it is depend upon your choice. No, what choice you are giving. Mayuri Dolas is saying it was really good. Okay. I'll talk with our management, and if it is possible from our end to give this particular guys, in second session, we will provide you one Google form. Okay, on this particular, please provide your all the details, so that what will happen if we plan, so that yes, we can give this particular test for students. Yes, we will contact you on that particular email address. Okay, so in next session we will give you that particular contact Google form. Okay, please update over there. Sir, also where can we find solutions to various tests in campus portal? Kokte, okay. Satish Kokte. Satish Kokte is asking, sir, also where can we find solutions to various tests in campus portals? Uh, Guys, related to technical, I'll definitely say you that. Okay, we are into this particular phase now. By weekly one day we are going to be a live. Okay, on the Zoom only. Okay, there you can ask, there you can put your technical queries, whatever the technical queries are there, and definitely we will and definitely we will give you our support email address. By that support email address, you can definitely put forward your queries. Okay, and we can see solution in the report in front of test name. Yes, actually, I need to check with it. Yes, definitely, you can get the reports, but in front of test name, yeah, I will ask with this particular queries. Okay, this will be the correct answer and solution as well. Okay. Swapnil's suggestion is that you want to do this in front of question itself. You want this explanation as well as a correct answer. Yeah, it is already available. Yeah, I haven't go through with it in that portal where I can set query. I'm answering his questions. Okay. You are answering his questions. Okay. Chalo guys, so we will meet back in 2, or it might be थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है. Okay, चलो guys, thank you.